Former CBI Special Director Rakesh Asthana has taken charge as the Commissioner of the Delhi Police. A 1984 batch officer, he became the top cop just days before he was due to retire. Neeta Sharma and Akshay Dongre report.
The acting commissioner of Delhi Police receiving newly appointed Commissioner Rakesh Asthana at the Delhi Police headquarters. The appointment of the 1984 batch Gujarat cadre IPS officer has come as a surprise for many reasons. Rakesh Asthana was to superannuate as DG BSF just 4 days later. Term extended by 1 year, inter-cadre deputation from Gujarat to AGMUT. First time inter-cadre deputation for the post ahead of retirement. 1988 batch acting commissioner Balaji Srivastava appointed 27 days ago, removed from the post. Frontrunners for the post of top cop, 1987 batch IPS officers Taj Hassan and Satyendra Garg set aside. After SS Jog and Ajay Raj Sharma, Rakesh Asthana has become the third commissioner of Delhi Police from outside Delhi cadre. Not just the appointment, there have been controversies even in his career. As a special director in the CBI, he faced bribery charges and was removed from the CBI. A case was filed against Asthana for allegedly accepting a bribe from meat trader Moin Qureshi. He was also accused of taking a bribe from Sterling Biotech, a pharma company accused of fraud. The opposition today hit out at the government.
कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी जहां जहां जाते हैं इनको अपने साथ ऐसी जगह पे जरूर रखना चाहते हैं जहां वो एक दूसरे का ध्यान रख सकें. इंग्लिश में जिसको कहते हैं ब्लू आइड बॉय. अब 4 दिन उनके बचे थे रिटायरमेंट के. कल रात को गृह मंत्रालय ने एक आदेश निकाला और उनको 1 साल का एक्सटेंशन दे दिया और साथ ही में दिल्ली पुलिस का कमिश्नर बना दिया.
After receiving a clean chit in the bribery cases, Asthana held the post of DG BSF, DG Bureau of Civil Aviation and Director NCB. He was also Commissioner of Surat and Vadodara during Narendra Modi's tenure as Gujarat Chief Minister. He handled several high-profile cases, including investigation into the Godhra train burning, the fodder scam while in the CBI, and drugs-related cases after the suicide of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. On taking over today, Commissioner Asthana said he would focus on basic policing.
पुलिस का बेसिक फंक्शन होता है मेंटेनेंस ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, प्रिवेंशन एंड डिटेक्शन ऑफ क्राइम. तो हमारा फोकस मोस्टली बेसिक पुलिसिंग पे रहेगा. बाकी जो स्पेशलाइज प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनको हम अकॉर्डिंगली एज पर द SOP हैंडल करेंगे.
Specialized problems will be dealt according to SOPs. In the past 1 month, Delhi has seen 3 police commissioners. It was Rakesh Asthana's investigation during the Godhra case that earned him proximity to the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi, whose trust he still enjoys today. And many claim that this might be the reason that he has been chosen as a top cop of the national capital barely 3 days ahead of his retirement. With camera person Pawan Tiwari and colleague Neeta Sharma, I'm Akshay Dongre for NDTV.